GroupDocs.Conversion App is a fast and easy-to-use file converter that allows a wide range of input file formats to be converted into various output file formats. First, you need to upload a source file you want to convert into the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the file. After the uploading process completes, you can review the uploaded file and select the desired target format for the output file from the drop-down list. Let us select the Microsoft Word file and convert it into the PDF format. You will need to wait for completed conversion, and now let's review the output result by clicking the Download Now button. We can find out that the conversion completed successfully. You can also specify an email to send the conversion result to. This is especially useful if you have a batch of files to process. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that GroupDocs.Conversion supports. You can download the full product for more features using the link in the video description below. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.